you can introduce yourself and tell us like what you do, who you are in 3, 4 sentences.
Hi, I'm Mindy, and I lead Nifty Nerds Network, NNN, a blockchain ecosystem focused on meme coins and game-based projects. Prior to Web3, I was running my own private equity firm named Oasis Equity Partners. And after 8 years of investment banking, now my mission is to bridge the gap between traditional gaming and blockchain Web3, bringing innovative game contents and launchpad services to creators and developers, particularly through Telegram mini apps and Tom.
Perfect, thank you. Is there a reason why you decided to start NNN? Like, what was your thinking and why you decided to pivot from your previous career to starting NNN?
NNN was born from the realization that gamers and creators need a more accessible way to enter the blockchain space without the higher barriers typically associated with it. Our platform is designed to democratize game creation, providing developers with a launchpad to bring their games to life, while ensuring players have fun and rewarding experiences through our unique game MemeFi model. By merging meme culture, gaming, and Web3, we are changing the way both creators and consumers interact, making it easier and more rewarding for everyone involved.
Okay, thank you. Still talking about gaming and more specifically GameFi or Web3 gaming, we saw that it was one of the big drivers for the whole blockchain adoption and the whole like Web3 spreading since the beginning. What do you think will be the future of gaming? And more specifically, do you think that the play to earn model still has a future, or is it going to change and move to another direction?
As you mentioned, since 2019, the play to earn mechanism was hyped. And I think that while reward-based models have been effective in creating hypes, but we all know that a lack of sustainability is in the long run. We believe that the future of gaming will rely on deeper engagement beyond rewards. In fact, as we build in the Telegram ecosystem, we see parallels with Kakao Games and WeChat have already achieved with their massive user bases and platform experiences. So I think that this gives us clear view into a potential future where community-driven contents and rich gaming experiences will dominate.
And is that the reason why you decided to work mainly with Ton and with Telegram? Are you exclusive with Ton, or do you also integrate other infrastructures?
Yeah, we are exclusive on Telegram mini apps, but not exclusive on Ton. But we obviously prioritize our apps and our games and memes building on Ton. So the reason why we started from Ton is that when we first started building on Ton, the token was only the price of Ton was only around $1 to $2, and there were hardly any attention on it. At the time, Tom was overshadowed by regulatory concerns, and the fact that its technology was very different from EVM made many people hesitant to joining the Ton ecosystem. However, we saw this as an opportunity to create an technical edge by being early builders, and more importantly, Ton and Telegram's massive user base of over 1 billion people offered a unique chance for mass adoption. And as the Telegram mini app SDK evolves and expands, I think the scalability and opportunities are huge, aligning perfectly with our vision as well.
Yeah, I have 2 more questions before we wrap it up. One is more about how it works for game makers to start working with you. Let's say I have a game that I would like to publish. What are the different steps that I have to go through when I'm collaborating with you?
So indie game developers are a core focus for us. So the process is simple. After onboarding, developers gain access to our tools and resources, including smart contract templates, NFT integration options, and game economy models. And also we have SDK for Unity and web-based projects to onboard games and Quest for games and social features. So we guided them through the entire launch process from initial concept to games launch on Telegram and other platforms as well, while helping them build a community around their game through our NNN ecosystem. We are also offering marketing and strategic support, ensuring their games reach the right audience.
One last question. Common statement that we hear around the gaming ecosystem is that most developers or game makers are very sure of the idea that they have, but they're a bit unsure of how to make it happen. And a lot of people, I believe, are afraid of the complexity of the process. If you had three advices you could give to a young game maker or game developer who has a good idea and doesn't know where to start, what would it be?
First of all, start small. So don't aim to build the perfect game right away. Focus on core mechanic and core fun features. And secondly, leveraging the existing Web3 tools. So you don't need to reinvent the wheel. Then platforms like us provide resources and templates that reduce the complexity. And third, focus on building a community early. The gaming and Web3 space thrives on strong, engaged communities that can offer feedback and support as you develop your projects. And if it still feels overwhelming, we also connect developers with game studios and project planners.
Before we close it, is there any big updates coming for NNN? Any game that we should pay attention to? Anything that you want to highlight?
Yeah, we've got some exciting new games coming soon. Due to the NDA, we cannot, reveal, but it's really big. And along with an upcoming airdrop season. So definitely stay tuned for that. Plus, our new version of app with a completely upgraded UI UX is launching next week. So bringing a smoother and more intuitive experience for our users. So it's gonna be a big moment for our community. So please stay tuned for NNN.
Perfect. Thank you very much. Anything else you would like to add?
No, thank you. Thank you for your time today.